Uh-huh. This is my name is Mervin T, and I'm a producer, I'm a sound engineer, I'm an artist manager, I'm a songwriter, I'm a singer. The last time I tell una say I will teach una how to get inspiration. Ma tell you one thing, for you to fit get good inspiration to make hits, you will get to be person wey dey lis ten to love hit song. You understand? You no dey lis ten to the song to come follow their pattern take make their hit song. Wetin make that song become hit? Wetin make that song wey you dey lis ten to become hit? If you dey lis ten to a lot of hit song, you go fit get inspiration to do hit song. And like I said, there are two ways. Either you just get the tune for your head, or you lis ten to a very good instrumental, the tune go come enter your head. Those na the only two ways. Some people go talk say their dream see their own. If you dey dream see your own, good for you, Joseph. If you dey lis ten to instrumental, because sound dey also dey inspire you. Sound dey inspire you to a new melody. A very good sound go always inspire you to a new melody. You understand? Many of all these artists wey dey Lagos, ma tell una the truth, ma no go dey deceive una sef o. Many of them, the producer dey send them beat, they use the beat till they write to wetin they wan do. Then mind you wey be say you be Joseph, you dey get your own inspiration from dream. After you don get the inspiration and the tune for dream, try blend am into a particular beat sequence, so that make you no go dey give your producer problem during production. You say na so I take write am. Not be because say you write am like that, na so e go be for studio. E go change. E go change. Some artists sef, if you dey wan try wan change dem, they go wan dey talk say no baba, no, they come dey change from wetin you no know anything, you go lis ten. Not only one person dey gather do song. Your producer dey play like 30 to 40% in all your song. Some of una sef, na no go even wan let the producer talk say no, na so I take want am. Na because some of una dey come out with whack. Allow your producer dey play enough role when recording you. If your producer tell you say this melody wey you take this line, I no like am o, no follow argue. Take am again. No, it doesn't take anything from you. Take am again. To make hits na collective effort. You don come with your tune, you don come with your this thing. You still need the expertise of a beat producer and a good vocal director. I know say una fit never hear about that before. Vocal director na go direct your tune, direct your lyrics. Then even though you not sabi write lyrics, you get better tune, look for a songwriter, give am percentage. Give am small thing, give am percentage. E go assist you. As big as all those artists wey you dey hear in the world, up to Michael Jackson, they get songwriters. Not be say most of na person wan even write song for una, that go dey feel say na for hand. That's why una dey where una dey so. Free yourself. Person wan write song for you, man, encourage am. After everything, as you wan put am online, do split with am, say baba, abeg for that one you help me do so, I wan give you so percentage. E no get, they no write am for anywhere say e must be like, no law wey dey talk say see the kind percentage. Na agreement. You and your songwriter, okay, alpha. Na agreement, una go agree. Okay, say I go be o. Give am percentage. Even beat maker, you suppose dey give am percentage for every beat, even though you pay for the beat. I I'm not saying what are the talks so never reach Benin. Uh-huh. So many people go wan follow me argue. Every producer wey produce for you suppose split with get split shit with you. Because you know why? Creativity can never, you no fit sell creativity. Na intellectual property. Even though you pay am, you go still pay am, e go still get split with you. Your producer, your songwriter, even the person wey follow you contribute for inside studio, you give them small percentage, you still get the largest one. Even your mixing engineer, you still give am percentage. That is what the world, na so the world don reach right now. Everybody has something. No be those wey dey use people head o. Put am for the back of your mind. Music has evolved. Music has evolved. Gone are those days wey dey do music anyhow, dey do am ga. Music has evolved. Some of una now just do song today, say abeg mix am give me today. Tomorrow you come to say, I don't like the mix. Then they use 1 month do some mix. Then they use 3 weeks do some mix. Allow the sound engineer put in creativity into am. Not be say give me my thing. Give me no why I go tell you like that. E dey tey, you dey patient. Na make come out well. But more na wise. The matter not be the way we take dey do am before again. Make everybody put professionalism into wetin dey do. So everything go dey go serere werere. You understand what I talk now? You understand? Some of the sound wey you go hear, dey get lapses. E dey get lapses. E dey get lapses. This is the time to fix up those lapses. Make everybody dey involved. I want you come, you come studio. They tell you say, come do this like say, no, Baba, I just like am the way I do. The way you like am, the way you tell say you like am, so e not dey unique, e not dey creative, e not dey. Listen to your producer. Listen to your vocal director. Listen to your sound engineer. They play a better role in each song that you produce. More na wise. More na wise. More na wise. My name still remain Melvin T. Watch out for my next topic.